Hey, hey, hey! Hi, family! Happy Friday! I hope you all are having a pleasant day. So, today I'm here with this amazing hair mask. It is easy to make, but it is powerful. I'm going to start off with measuring 4 tablespoons of the flax seeds. We're going to put that into the pot and we're going to add in 1.5 cup of water. So after adding the water, we're going to move this to the stove top and it's going to sit there for 10 minutes. The 10 minutes was based on the consistency that I wanted. If you want a thicker gel, you can let this sit there for 10 minutes or more. If you want a loose gel, you can allow this to sit on the stove top for 5 to 7 minutes. I have used this gel before on my girl's hair and the curls lasted for days. Flaxseed is amazing. The gel is amazing for your hair. It has so many benefits. It provides nourishment to your hair. It helps your hair grow faster and longer. It prevents split ends. It also reduces hair thinning. It strengthens your hair from the roots. It contains omega-3 fatty acids and it is a great source of vitamin E and vitamin B. It keeps your hair conditioned and it is packed with protein. So flaxseed is really great for your hair. So while this is sitting on the stove top, I'm going to move to peeling my banana. Like I said, if you don't want to use this as a hair mask, you don't have to add in the banana. You can just use it as a gel and that's all you have to do. Just put some water in the flaxseed. Put some water in the pot, add some flax seeds, and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. If you want a loose gel or if you want a thicker gel, let it cook longer. All right. So like I said, I'm going to move on to my banana. We are going to be adding in 1 banana. I'm going to mash my banana, and by the time I'm done with this, we're going to move on to straining the gel. One thing I forgot to mention is while your flaxseed is cooking, please don't forget to stir it. That way the seeds don't get stuck onto the pot. Alright y'all, so the flaxseed gel is ready. I'm going to allow this to cool down before straining it. Well, if you have a strainer or a sifter, you can put the sifter into the bowl and then add the flaxseed gel and it's going to sift on its own. But if you are going to be using a cheesecloth or a stocking cap like I did, you might want to consider cooling this down before doing that, okay? So you don't burn yourself. Alright family, so while I'm straining the gel, I'm also going to be straining the banana. And the last ingredient I'm going to add to this is my growth oil. It's application time. So I have washed and conditioned my daughter's hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and section her hair into 2 parts. My daughter have this kinky texture hair, so I'm very careful on how I manage their hair. I don't usually use comb without going in with water or my aloe vera gel or something to help loosen up the curls. So if you do that, if you have a kinky texture hair and just go in and comb your hair, you're going to experience a lot of breakage. So I try to apply the product with my hands and just finger detangle before doing anything with brush, or sometimes I don't even use the detangling brush or comb. Most often I will use my fingers because I know they have a really thick kinky hair. So in order to prevent breakage, I use my fingers to detangle the hair. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to use my fingers to detangle my daughter's hair. And after application, I'm going to allow this to sit on her hair for 45 minutes before rinsing this out. So you will see the difference in her hair texture. You will see the area that I have applied the hair mask. You will see how instantly her curls are defined. Then the area that has no hair mask applied. So keep watching to see that, family. All right, family, so this is what I was talking about. You can tell the difference between those two sections. You can see one part is defined and the other part is still in its natural state. Like I said, she has this kinky texture here, and the kinky texture part I have not applied the hair mask, so you can tell the difference. That is how your curls are going to get defined once you use this hair mask or once you use the gel. So if you are going to manage your hair this way, it is best to use a good water-based product like a good water-based conditioner or the aloe vera gel or the flaxseed gel. This is going to help prevent breakage, and like I said, I use my fingers to detangle their hair so they don't really experience a lot of breakage. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That is going to help this channel grow, and also please smash that subscribe button to become a member of this amazing growing family, especially if you are enjoying all of this goodness. Thank you all for supporting us. We love you all. Keep watching, y'all. Alright, family, so I'm done with application. I'm going to get a plastic bag to cover her hair and also her shower cap. I'm going to leave this on for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I'm going to rinse it out. So that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That is going to help my channel greatly. Thank you all so much. Have a blessed weekend, and I'll see you all in the next one. Remain blessed. Bye.